Built over time, steeped in history and tradition, and situated on nearly 5 acres of land in beautiful Durham. Stagecoach Farm is a unique New Hampshire country estate. This beautiful residential and recreational compound hosts a bountiful array of indoor and outdoor living and recreational spaces. Three married structures meld thoughtfully, giving the property its unique appeal. Built in 2007 from the ground up, the main house is the heart of Stagecoach Farm. The attention to detail and design seamlessly mixes with a comfortable, more contemporary vibe, with generously sized windows and bolder finishing touches, blending and complementing the earlier structures on either side. To the east, the attached original farmhouse dates back to a full century earlier, while the west wing of the home, a fully renovated barn, flows seamlessly into the main house. By the way, with the oversized 3-car garage and ample driveway, there's enough space for a car collector's fleet or to accommodate your many party guests. The entry only hints at the unending attention to detail within. Luxurious hand-finished Brazilian cherry floors, 10.5-foot ceilings, crown molding and rounded drywall corners throughout add an understated sense of elegance and taste. An open concept approach to the main house common areas and direct access to a handsome deck space make for fantastic entertaining and special events. This showcase kitchen boasts a stainless Subzero refrigerator, custom oak Plato cabinetry, a 60-inch 6-burner double oven and double griddle Viking range and hood, and honed black granite countertops. No wonder it was featured in Accent Home and Garden magazine. There's even a butler pantry just off the kitchen, with plenty of additional storage and prep space. Skylights flood your journey upstairs with warmth as you find your way to some wonderfully private spaces. The master bedroom suite is crowned by a vaulted ceiling, ample space, and spectacular views to the surrounding farmland, as well as a large custom cherry finish walk-in closet. The custom-built glass shower in the master bath waits to pamper you, but you might opt for a long, relaxing bubble bath in this exquisite soaking tub. Two additional bedrooms connect to a shared full bath. Each offers its own distinctive character, defined by light, vistas, and layout. The barn was recently updated in 2014. Downstairs, you'll find a host of flexible, cozy spaces. A highlight is the spacious coatroom, featuring closets with custom shelving, tons of storage, even USB charging stations. A large laundry, full kitchen, and handsome office space round out the first floor. The latter could easily be turned into a bedroom. And upstairs, there's room for breaking a sweat and building a whole new you, or for more casual moments, hosting a movie night for friends or family. Located to the right and directly adjacent to the main house, you'd never know the farmhouse dates back to the Civil War era. A sharp, fully equipped kitchen is your first clue to a major update in 2003, bringing in glazed cabinets, maple flooring, and more. It simultaneously evokes a comfortably modern style and classic charm. Perfect for an au pair, aging parents, adult children, or just a place to get away and work on dream projects. The farmhouse could easily serve as a completely independent residence, utilized as a rental opportunity or a large guest house. The views are remarkable, and unique details abound, hinting at old-world traditions. 2 3/4 bathrooms complement this section of the estate. And for those inclined, there's even more potential to further develop the farmhouse. It's worth noting that while connected to the main house, the farmhouse has its own locked entry for full privacy. And then there are the perennial and herb gardens, room for a riding ring or tennis courts, the sublime fields and ponds. But would you expect any less of a destination by the name of Stagecoach Farm? After all, this truly is an estate, but you could also call it home.